In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GitHub to Netlify. By the end, your GitHub account will be linked inside Netlify so you can later set up automatic deployments from your repositories with just a few clicks. Start by opening your browser and going to netlify.com. Sign in if you aren't already. Once you're on the Netlify dashboard, look toward the bottom left corner of the page for your profile area. It may show your avatar, initials, or your profile name. Click that profile area to open the account menu, then click your profile name again to enter your account settings. If you manage multiple teams, make sure you're in the correct personal or team context before continuing. You want the settings that apply to the account where you'll connect GitHub. Inside the account settings, find the sidebar or top navigation and choose General. This is where Netlify keeps a lot of your core account preferences. After the page loads, scroll down until you reach the section labeled Connected Accounts. This area controls integrations with services like GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket. Click Edit Settings to enable changes in this section. You'll now see an option for GitHub. Click Connect next to GitHub. Netlify will redirect you to GitHub to authorize the connection. If you're not already signed into GitHub, log in first, then review the permissions GitHub shows you. These permissions allow Netlify to read your repository so it can build and deploy your site. If you work with organizations on GitHub, you may see a prompt to grant access to specific organizations. Approve the ones you plan to deploy from. You can fine-tune repository access here by allowing all repositories or selecting only the ones you need. When you're comfortable with the permissions, confirm or authorize the connection. You'll be brought back to Netlify where the Connected Accounts section should now display GitHub as connected. If you don't see it right away, refresh the page to update the status. From here, you can disconnect or adjust settings later if needed. That's it for connecting GitHub to Netlify. With the integration in place, you're set up for a streamlined workflow where Netlify can pull your code from GitHub and handle builds and deploys whenever you push changes. In a future step, you can use Netlify's Add New Site or Import an Existing Project flow to select a GitHub repository, choose a build command and publish directory, and kick off your first deploy. For now, your accounts are successfully linked and ready to use.